Path ahead is pure mud. We'll need teamwork and grit to get through.
Let's go! I'm ready to get messy!
This is great! No, oh no! I'm sinking! I need help! Don't panic, Jeepster. Just keep your wheels straight and steady. There you go. A clear path is always faster than a muddy shortcut. Look at us! We're practically mud monsters! This is awesome! I've got it! Just a little lift and over it goes.
Oh dear! I can't go! I'm stuck!
Don't you worry, little train. A big, strong truck always helps a friend in need. Thank you, Rusty. You saved me.
We made it! We conquered the mud!
We did it as a team!